So this is a beginner series for Blender, and we are going to make a coffee cup in this series. So every Wednesday I'm going to upload a new video, and let's get started. So the first thing, you have to learn how to orbit around an object. So how to orbit is by clicking the middle mouse button and dragging your mouse around. So then we should move on, right? So how to we are going to delete all of this. So to select all of this, you have to click A and click X, delete. So now you can see in here there are no outline. In the outliner there are no objects in here. So let's add an image, reference image of a coffee cup, and go to Shift A menu by clicking Shift A, of course, and go to image. This is the, by the way, this is the menu that you apply meshes, curves, surfaces, metabolic, text, lights, cameras, everything like that. So go to image and in reference. So this is the Blender 2.9.3, I think. There's a 2.9.4, right? Anyways, and I'll be linking the image in the description. And I'm playing Minecraft, yes. Check out my other channel, Aspect, and in the description below. And you can see here this image is rotated in a weird way, kind of weird. Anyways, the reason for that is we are looking in this direction, in this direction, so that's why it is rotated in that direction. So to cancel that movement, you have to click that image and click Alt R, and that will clear rotation. So next we are going to rotate that to 90 degrees. So click R, X, then type 90 and hit enter. So not in the numpad, please don't click numpad yet, in the top bar, you know what I mean. So now let's add a plane, or maybe not. So let's go to the front view. To go to the front view, click numpad 1. Oh yeah, I'm going to link shortcut PDF in the description of Blender Guru, yeah. So next, anyways, you want to get that shortcut image here. So PDF, yeah. And now let's move this up a little bit. So hit G, then Z to move that Z axis, and move that up like so. And now let's start building our coffee cup. So go to Shift A menu, mesh, and click on cylinder. So let's go to front view again, and now let's align this as best as possible. So oh yeah, I'm toggling on and off X-ray, and how to toggle that on and off. First I'm going to set this color to orange color, and how I do that is pressing Alt Z on and off this X-ray, and yeah, move align that as best as you can, and that will be good, I think. Oh yeah, by pressing shift when you scale, grab anything like that, the movement, the speed of the movement is very slow. So that is a very useful feature. So now let's go to the edit mode to shrink this up and get that shape. So to do that, hit tab, or you can go here and objects model it. I don't like that, so I think shift S, no, alt S, no. Oh my god. Yeah, we should save this, right? Actually this is my I think fifth time, fourth time, I think yeah, fourth time. No, this is the fifth time. Yeah, this is the fifth time I recorded this tutorial. So now here's why I still in extreme mode, because if you are not in the extreme mode and you select these things, yeah, the other side will not be selected. So go on to extreme mode by toggling Alt Z and click these and G, Z and align this. I think that's where should it be. That is good. I think I'm recording, right? Yeah, I'm recording. So anyways, let's now shape this up. So now oh yeah, let's add a loop cut. So how to add a loop cut is by pressing Ctrl R, and you can see there is a yellow line, and if you scroll up, the yellow lines will add, and scrolling down will you know, I don't think you know what I mean. So anyway, you can scale this up and model this thing as you want. You can copy me, that is yeah, you can copy me, but here's where your imagination is coming through. So model this as you want, but don't make a donut like oh my god, Andrew Price. Yeah, and that's his name, right? I think that's his name. Yeah, anyways, Andrew Price. Yeah, so now I think that's all for this modeling. This is good, and now let's smooth this up. So in object mode, select this object and right click and shade smooth. So this is looking a lot better, but let's yeah, this still looks dull. Anyways, so let's go to our modifier tab, this range, and add modifier subdivision surface. So as you can see, it is now looking good, and I'm going to increase this to 2 and go to edit mode again. Still click on that object, then click on Alt and click on this vertex, and you can see it is select this whole face. Yeah, you can go to face select by 1 2 3. Yeah, you can, yeah, click that description, click the link in the description and get that PDF. Okay, 1 2 3 will not in the numpad, but 1 2 3 will toggle on between these 3 modes, and I'm going to go with edge select mode, vertex select mode, and click X faces. So there is a hole here. So now let's add some thickness to this car. So go to your modifier tab in the same object and go add this solidify. It should be in the bottom of the subdivision modifier, and you can toggle this on off if you like. Yeah, if that is off, you can't see the thickness here in the edit mode, but you can see in the object mode. So now let's bring the offset to 1 and this to 0.02. It is good, actually that is good. Yeah, that is still good. Okay, that is good. And let's talk about this one. So H2 hide and alt H2 unhide. So I'm going to hide that, and as oh yeah, 7 is to the top view, and 9 is the if you are in front face, 9 will go to the back face, 3 is the right side view, 9 is the left side view, 7 is the top, 9 is the bottom. Anyways, it will switch in that faces. And so the reason for this is that this face is all combined in that vertex. So that is too much for this subdivision modifier to handle. That's why it's doing that. And click this surface and click I and drag this down. I drag this down, and you are good to go. So let's bring back our coffee cup, and you can see, oops, what did I do? You can see that it is looking a lot better. Why am I doing that? Anyway, so you will agree that yeah, it is looking a lot better. So that's all for this video, and in the next video we are going to make this handle of the coffee cup, and see in the next video. You can click here if the video is available, and click here to watch another video of mine. Bye.